To redeem Hut rewards, visit the Hut website at www.pizzahut.com.my/hut-rewards and sign up to qualify. By enjoying Pizza Hut meals, you can earn one slice for every $30 spent. Once enough slices are gathered, they can be redeemed for free pizza or pizza sides. To check your balance, log into your account and click on Reward Points. Every 100 points equate to $10. Rewards can be redeemed by logging into your account at checkout and choosing to pay with points, or by presenting your points at a physical store. However, it's essential to note that rewards cannot be used as gift cards for prior purchases or donations, and they will expire if left unused for 6 months. Additionally, points cannot be transferred from one account to another. By following these steps, you can successfully redeem your Hut rewards and enjoy the benefits of the program.